Okay, so today we'll start with equation reducible to quadratic. First, I'll solve one question for you, and then I'll give you some of the rules that you can use in solving these kind of questions. So let me take one question. Solve x squared minus
So,
5x. Yes.
so in the Cengage trigonometry section, there are some questions on infinite series, but we haven't done that in school. So, sir, can you teach it later on?
Which one?
Infinite series.
That will come in sequential series. After this, like I'll pick that one only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So suppose if you have this kind of equation, then you have to solve it. How will you solve? So you'll think that you'll think to apply the formula a plus b plus c whole square and like that, right? But we should not do that. What we'll do? See, we'll try to find some kind of pattern. So let it be like this only, and just multiply this. So you'll get x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now you can see that if you suppose assume x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 1, sorry, 6 equal to t, then you can rewrite this as t plus 1. T plus 1 whole square minus t equal to 1. Now you have to solve this first. T square plus 2t plus 1 minus t equal to 1. This gone. From here we have t square plus t equal to 0. Just take t common. T plus 1 equal to 0. So either t equal to 0 or t plus 1 equal to 0. So t equal to minus 1. So we have two values of t. But we have considered this as t. So basically, now put t equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 or x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to minus 1. You have to solve this. You can factorize this further. You'll get this. X equal to either 2 or 3. And from here you will get x squared minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac, that is 28 upon 2. So this discriminant is negative. So no real value of x possible. So our answer is x equal to 2 or 3. Understood? That is how we solve. Suppose in case they ask you to find only they ask you to find the value of x. In that case, they might not consider real value. So from here you can get non-real value as well. How? So x will be 5 plus minus. This is minus 3, square root of minus 3. So in that case, we know that how to define iota. Root 3 iota upon 2. Else, if we talk about real value of x, then we'll discard this and we'll take 2 and 3 1. Right? Note it down quickly.
So there's an arrow, right? That is just the single quadratic, right?
Yes.
So equal to t.
Yes. I assumed x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to t.
So can you explain that last part again? You've written the same two quadratic equations.
Because now we have got t equal to 0 or minus 1. So what was t? T was this, na?
Yes. Oh, so you
Because now,
equal
uh,
one to
you have
oh,
equation in x, so you have to find the value of x, not t. That's why.
okay.
Done all? Aryan and Abro noted?
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Aryan is still noting. Very good. Okay.
I'm done, sir.
Okay. Some important form. Suppose an equation of the form x minus a into x minus b into x minus c into x minus d equal to a. A is some constant. If you have this kind of equation, and if a is less than b is less than c is less than d, then check if and if b minus a, you have to follow this order. B minus a equal to d minus c, then this equation can be solved by replacing the variable y equal to x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c plus x minus d upon 4. In this way, it would be easy to solve this question. So you can write this as x minus a plus b plus c plus d by 4. This is how we'll get if you have this kind of equation and we have this a, b, c in order, and if b minus a equal to d minus c, then we have to replace x by this thing, y. That y will get x minus y equal to x minus a plus b plus c plus d by 4, and then we'll replace x by y plus this thing, and then we can easily solve it. Note it down. This is, and you have to remember this as well. आर्यन एंड अब्रो वीडियो ऑन कर लो.
So can you explain the last part again? I didn't understand it.
This is just a way, like, you add this thing, this plus this plus this plus this, and divide by 4, because we have 4 terms, and then write this complete term as another variable y. And from here we'll get x in terms of y, and we put it back here, and then we can solve it.
So you're taking x common.
Yeah, obviously, na, like 4 times we are adding x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c plus x minus d. So we'll have x 4 times,
So you take it out common.
Sorry?
So you took it out common and so you made
Yeah,
it minus a plus b
yeah.
plus c.
Yes. Done, everyone noted?
Yes.
Second rule, if equation is of the form x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, x minus d equal to ax square. In this case, you have to see if AB equal to CD. If AB equal to CD, so this equation can be solved. This type of equation can be solved by using y equal to x plus AB upon
So that's all, right?
no, wait. Let me take one example on this.
So are we assuming a is any number, any constant?
Yes, we will see the real number. Let me take one example. See, if I take example this. Solve the equation x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 8, x plus 12 equal to 4x squared. Now you can see that as per this rule, a is minus 2, b is minus 3, c is minus 8, and like then d is minus 12. So you just have to multiply. If you multiply this and this, you will get 2 into 12, 24. And if you multiply the 8 into 3, you will get 24, right? So this satisfies the condition. Now it says that you have to replace this thing. So see, you have to use this kind of pattern. Then how will you get this? How will you get this pattern? First you bring them together, x plus 2 into x plus 12, and then x plus 3 into x plus 8, that is 4x squared. Now you can see, multiply this. This is x squared plus 14x plus 24. And then x squared plus 11x plus 24 equal to 4x squared. Now you have to make this kind of thing. So x plus some constant upon x, right? Do one thing, just take x common from here. Take x common from here. So you will get x plus 14 plus 24 by x. And one x take common from here as well. X plus 11 plus 24 by x equal to 4x squared. Now you see x plus ab by x. AB is what? 2 into 12, 14. So x and x gone with x square. Now you assume x plus 24 by x equal to y. Put over here y plus 14 into y plus 11, that is 4. Now you have quadratic in this, right? You have quadratic in this. Just find the value of y from here. Whatever value of y you will get from here, that is, suppose if I get solve it for me. Solve it. Y equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. That is this much by 2. So this is minus 25 plus minus 5 by. So factorization will be, factors will be this and this. So either y equal to minus 10 or minus 15. And we assume y as x plus 24 by y equal to either minus 10 or x plus 24 by x is minus 15. From here you will have two quadratic in x. You will solve it, plus take LCM and then cross multiply. You will get this thing. Find the value of x from here and find the value of x from here. Again you have, then you have, suppose if all are real, then four different values of x are possible. If any of the quadratic does not have real root, then we have only two. Did you understand the concept? How to solve this?
So I didn't understand after you split the terms. You cancelled x and then what happened?
Then we got this kind of pattern, x plus something upon x,
So
x plus 24 by x plus 24 by x. We can see that this term is common to both the terms. This thing is common to both the terms. So I just considered x plus 24 by x as y.
oh,
Put y here, y plus 14 and y plus 11. Then we get quadratic in y. We solve for y. We get y equal to minus 15 minus 10. But original equation was in x. So we have to use this thing and we have to find the value of x. So this thing was y. So y has two values. So this will have two values, either minus 10 or minus 15. From here we will get x from both the equations. And that would be our answer.
so from minus 10 and minus 15, you equate that quadratic equation to that and then you solve
Yes,
it.
yes. Put it down.
So can you scroll down a little bit? Scroll up. So shouldn't it be 154, sir, not 150?
And then this 4 will subtract from here. No? 154 minus 4, that is 150.
Oh, the question. Okay, okay. So then do you equate both the values of y both times for both the quadratic equations?
Just a second, just a second. Yes, Archit, bolo. Yes, I tell me.
So how do you equate the y values again? Do you equate both of them?
See, your y is what? X plus 24 by x, na? This is your y. So put here minus 15 and minus 10, and then separately solve this equation and
For
this
both.
equation. Noted? Everyone noted? Now, third point is, if the equation is of the form x minus a to the power 4 plus x minus b to the power 4 equal to some constant. In this case, this can be solved. This equation can be solved by changing the variable like x minus a plus x minus b upon 2 equal to y. Like this we can solve. I'll take one example. Solve the equation x minus 1 to the power of 4 plus x minus 5 to the power of 4 equal to 18. Now we know that this matches this form. So y can be written as x minus 1 plus x minus 5 by 2. So from here x minus 3. So you just replace x by y plus 3. So put x equal to y plus 3 over here. So this will be like y plus 2 power 4, and this will be y minus 2 power 4 equal to 82. Now you just open this. So like this, y plus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 82. A plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Y square minus 4 2ab this whole square. Now you can see from here that you got this thing, na? This is the question, right? From here, if you know, because this is not same, na? Do one thing, you just have to rearrange this. Write this as y square plus 4 and plus 4y whole square and plus y square plus 4 minus 4y whole square 82. Now you can see this is a plus b and a minus b. So there is a formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. There is 2 times a square plus b square. So you can write this as 2 times a square, that is y square plus 4 whole square. B square is 4y square. This is equal to 82. So 2 will cancel this, and this is like, come here, let's open this, a square plus b square plus c, like this, and 16 y square. This is equal to 4. You can see here, y square plus 24y square minus 25 equal to 0. Assume y square equal to t. So now this is t square plus 24t minus 25 equal to 0. If you factorize it, you will get t plus 1, sorry, t minus 1, t minus 1 into t plus 25. So for now you can see t is y square, right? So t is either 1 or minus 25. This is not possible because y square is always positive. We are talking about real number only. So t is 1. It means that y square is 1. Y square can't be equal to minus 25. We will ignore this. So from here y equal to plus minus 1. And y was this. This was your y. Y was x minus 3. So y was x minus 3. So x will be y plus 3. So if y is 1, x will be 4. If y is minus 1, x will be 2. This is your answer. X equal to 2 and 4. Understood? Solve it.
So x is 4 or 2, right?
Yes.
could you scroll up to?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
सर आप ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो?
क्या बोल रहे हैं? जोर से बोलो.
सर आप ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, कितना?
हाँ बस, थैंक यू।
Done, everyone? Aryan done? Ayushi done?
यस सर।
Okay. Now, next question is for you. Solve the equation. 3 x square minus x plus 4 x square minus x equal to 25. Solve.
So is that 4? X square minus 4. What is that, sir?
X square minus x. X
Oh.
square minus x, x square minus x.
Oh. So, is it 2 or -1?
Correct. See, how do you write 25? That is 3 square plus 4 square. So this is how you write 3 square plus 4 square. So obviously बात है कि x square minus x has to be 2 and this has to be 2. So from here you have to solve. If you factorize, this is your factor. So either this will be 0 or this will be 0. So x will be either -1 or ठीक है, understood?
यस सर मुझे भी यही आया था
अब लो सॉल्व हो रहा है आर्यन
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन solve the equation 12 x raised to 4 minus 56 x cube plus 89 x square minus 56 x plus 12 equal to 0.
So how do you factorize a quadrat, like uh, an equation to the power 4?
See, in this equation, you have to recognize the term which will give you some kind of pattern. You can see that here 12, here 12, here 56, here 56. So do one thing, keep these terms together. like this. So take 12 out, x raised to 4 plus 1. Take 56 out, x cube plus x plus 89 x squared equal to 0. Do one thing, divide by x squared. Divide by x squared. So this is x4 plus 1 upon x squared minus 56 x cube plus x upon x squared, and this is 89 equal to 0. Split the term, x squared plus 1 by x squared minus 56 x plus 1 by x plus 89 equal to 0. Now here a square plus b square can be written as a plus b, because now we have this kind of term here, n minus 2 and minus 56 x plus 1 by x plus 89 equal to 0. Now you can see you have term x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x. So replace this by some other variable by t. So this is 12 t square minus 2 minus 56 t plus 89 equal to 0. Here 12 t square minus 56 t minus 24 plus 89. That is 65 equal to 0. Huh? Right. Factorize this. Big number. Find the value of t, that is minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4a c by 2. You can factorize this. I am using calculator. Value of t is 5 by 2 or 13 by 6, and t is x plus 1 by x. So put over here x plus 1 by x is either 13 by 6 or 5 by 2. Again, you will have two equations, 13 by 6 and then x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. From both the equations, you will have x, two values of x, x1, x2. From here, you will have x3, x4. Find this, solve this, solve both of these equations, you will get four different value of x. Understood? Note it down.
So x is 2 or 1 by 2?
Got the answer? Very good. X is 2 and 1 by 2, and from another equation, you will get another values of x 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Good. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Abhudweep and Aryan and Ayushi. Disconnected here. हो गया डन सबका हो गया
Yes, sir.
चलो दो दो तीन क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं तो सारे तरीके क्वेश्चन हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट इसमें कवर कर लेंगे ये देखो एक क्वेश्चन है कि फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus like that infinite term. I'll give you 2 minutes. Let's see you if you solve it. After that, I'll tell you.
So would you assume that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus that whole thing would be infinitesimally
See,
small? So
let
it
me
would
tell you. Let me tell you. Suppose Just assume this as x. This whole thing as x, any variable. Now you can see that it has infinite term. Infinite term is uncountable. There is no limit, right? And term start with from here. 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon. Now you have to identify the the pattern which repeats. Identify the unit which repeats. So you can see that suppose uh, if you just take one glass water out from the sea, do you think that there will be any difference in the height of the level of the water in sea? No, right? Like that only. If you take one term out from infinite term, it is not going to make any difference, right? So just hide this thing. Just hide this thing. One term just take out. Hide this thing. Now you can see that again. You have 2 plus 1 by this. For this thing, we can write this x, what we assumed initially. Because now we can see that 2 plus 1 by 2. The same thing starts like this. 2 plus 1 by this. 2 plus 1 by this. So x can be written as 2 plus 1 by x. Now solve it. You just have to identify the term. No, just the minus b plus minus under b squared. That's 4 is 2 plus root 6 by 2. 2 minus root 6 by 2. This is not possible.
So it's the first one, 2 plus root 6 by 2.
I tell you, Shayna,
So it's just 2 plus root 6 by 2.
this is not possible because we know that this x is 2 plus something. So the value of this complete thing will be definitely big. This is going
Sir,
to be
b
very large,
square.
very small number. So 2 plus something, more than 2. So this is
Sir,
less
it
than
should be b square. B square minus 4ac. 4 plus
Yes,
4.
sir. B square minus 4ac.
सबको समझ में आया ना कैसे करते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन को you just have to identify the unit that repeats आर्यन समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
So sir, you can just assume it's x. And
yes any variable even assign y t p a b c done next question
Yes, sir.
you have to solve 8 raised to x plus 27 raised to x upon 12 raised to x plus 18 raised to x equal to 7 by 6. Solve it.
So do you write 8 to the power of x and 27 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 to the power of 3x?
That is how we'll solve. Right, right. So write this as, let me solve it.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Yeah, just write that. 2 raised to 3x, 3 raised to 2x, something like that.
But for denominator, you can't do anything, right?
No, you can do, na? See now. 2 cube. So 2 raised to 3x plus 3 raised to 2x upon. For 12 you can do 2 square into 3 to the power x 18. That is 9 into 2. So 2 into 3 square raised to x 7 by 6. Now you can see 2 raised to x. Write this like this. Plus 3 raised to x to the power. Here you can this x will distribute to both the terms. 2 raised to x whole square. Into 3 raised to x plus 2 raised to x into 3 raised to x whole square, right? 7 by 6. Understood? Try to make 2 by 3 or 3 by 2 form. How will you make that? Okay. Let's do one thing.
Then, sir, a cube plus b cube formula.
Where it is a cube? Oh,
Sir,
this
2
is
to the power x and 3 to the power x
oh
can be
wait.
a and b.
This is 27, so 3 cube. Yeah. Now it's okay. Yeah. It's fine. Now do one thing. Take 3 raised to x to the power 3 common. So this will come out and this will be like this upon this. So 2 raised to x upon 3 raised to x to the power 3 plus 1 upon. Take 3 or you can say 3 raised to x into 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to x into 3 raised to 2x equal to 7 by 6. Now, see power is same. So this can be written as 2 by 3 to the power x to the power 3. So this is 3 plus 1 upon. Divide denominator by this 3 raised to 3x. So 1 3x will be cancelled. So if you bring it down, it will be like 3 raised to x into 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to x into 3 raised to 2x upon 3 raised to 3x equal to 7 by 6. It will go, now it will split the term 2 by 3 x to the power 3 plus 1 upon. Split the term. This and this 1 will cancel. So it will be effectively 3 raised to 2x. 2 raised to 2x. So it is like 2 by 3 again x and then square out. Here you can see 3 raised to 2x and 3 raised to 3x cancel. So only 3 raised to x will be left. So 2 raised to x upon 3 raised to x. That is 2 by 3 into to the power n. That is 7 by 6. So like 2 by 3 raised to x equal to t. Put here, this is t cube plus 1 upon t square plus t equal to 7 by 6. You can apply a cube plus b cube formula here. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square upon t out t plus 1. That is 7 by 6. T plus 1 cancel. Now cross multiply this. 6t square minus 6t plus 6 equal to 70. So this is 6t square minus 13t plus 6 equal to 0. Factorize this. 6t square minus 12t minus t plus 6 equal to 0. 6t out, t minus 2. No. It will not do. Wait. 90 minus 40 plus 6 equal to 0. So 3t out, 2t minus 3, 2 out, 2t minus 3 equal to 0. So 2t minus 3 and 3t minus 2 equal to 0. So t is either from here 3 by 2 and from here 2 by 3. And t we assume what? This thing. 2 by 3 raised to x. So 2 by 3 raised to x equal to t. So 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 raised to x equal to
is
2
1.
by 3.
1 or minus 1.
So x equal to 1 and from here you will get x equal to minus. Then only it will reverse, right? Understood? सबको समझ में आया? आर्यन, अब्रो, आयुषी,
Yes.
करो एक एक स्टेप करो खुद से.
सर आप स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो.
सर मैं आपको एक बार पिक्चर भेज रही हूँ, आप प्लीज बताएंगे इसके बाद कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.
आयुषी जस्ट ऊपर नीचे को ना बी क्यूब से डिवाइड कर दो या ए क्यूब से डिवाइड कर दो। अगर बी क्यूब से न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड करोगे ना तो ए बाई बी का फॉर्म बनेगा, उस ए बाई बी को टी मान लेना।
सर मैंने सेकंड पिक्चर भी भेजा है।
ठीक तो है, बन तो गया, क्या दिक्कत है?
नहीं सर, उसके बाद क्या होगा?
तो हो गया ना, देखो ना, ये तुमने क्या किया, तुमने ये किया ना, तो ए माइनस थ्री बी इक्वल टू जीरो होगा। यहाँ से लेट से ए बाई बी इक्वल टू तुम थ्री बाई टू बोल। दूसरा तुम्हारा है थ्री ए इक्वल टू टू बी, तो ए बाई बी को तुम टू बाई थ्री बोल। अब एक किसको माना था? टू रेज टू एक्स,
यस।
तो डाल दो। ए के बदले टू रेज टू एक्स, बी के बदले थ्री रेज टू एक्स, तो टू बाई थ्री इक्वल टू एक्स इक्वल टू थ्री बाई टू। यहाँ एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस वन हो जाएगा। यहाँ से टू बाई थ्री रेज टू एक्स इक्वल टू टू बाई थ्री, यहाँ एक्स इक्वल टू प्लस वन हो जाएगा, हो गया।
ओके सर।
डन, सबका हो गया नोटेड?
यस।
पूरा नोट कर लिया अच्छे से आर्या?
हाँ सर, एक स्टेप।
शानिया?
Yes, it is.
अब्रो? ओके, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट। देखो तो तुम लोग से होता है कि नहीं। यू हैव टू सॉल्व 3x² minus 7x minus 30 square root plus 2x² minus 7x minus 5 equal to x plus 5. How will you solve this? Any idea?
सर एक स्क्वायर रूट को दूसरे साइड देके स्क्वायर कर दो।
करेक्ट। क्या करते हैं हम लोग इसमें? You just have to bring one square root to another side. So keep one square root on one side, any one of them on one side, and another to right side. And then a square. Do a square. This is like a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2 a and b, and then plus b square, that is 2x square minus 7x minus 5. From here you can see, break this a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah. X square plus b square, a square. Now this and this gone. Twenty-five minus 5, that is 20 minus 2. I can see again, like bring this down to left. So this is like 2 bring this term to this. So 10x plus 50. Take 10 out. See, now you can see that we have similar term x plus 5, x plus 5 both the sides. Don't cancel it. Don't cancel it unless you cannot cancel any term about which you are not sure that that term may take zero value. Suppose if you put x equal to minus 5, this term will become 0. You cannot cancel this. Don't cancel this. Always take common. Suppose bring this term to left side, then take 2 into x plus 5 common. This is like under root 2x square minus 7x minus 5 and then minus 5 equal to 0. So either this will be 0. So from here we will get x equal to minus 5 or this will be 0. From here again square it. So this is 2x square minus 7x minus 5 equal to 25. Yeah. Now factorize this minus 12x plus 5x. From here we will get 2x, x minus 6. So either x,
10 and minus 3.
sorry,
10 and minus 3.
y 10. This no? X minus 6 or 2x plus 5.
Oh, it's 2x.
Yeah. Now we have to check that. See, we have like, we have done squaring and all, right? So when we square now, we may get some extra value. So often, like, always try to, after squaring whatever value of x you get, now you have to cross check whether all the values of x satisfies the equation or not. So we got x equal to minus 5, 6 and minus 5 by 2. Just put in main equation. See, if I put x, so we have got x equal to minus 5, 6 and minus 5 by 2. Put x equal to minus 5. You get 3 into 25 plus 35 minus 30. This is square root of this. That is fine, valid. And the square root of this 2 into 25 plus 35, right? You put x equal to minus 5 and minus 5. So you will get some value over here, some value over here. But this plus this is not going to be minus 5 plus 5, that is 0. This is positive value, this is positive value, and this is 0 right side. That sum of two positive value can't be 0. So x equal to minus 5 we can't take. So because now I have the answer, in the answer it is mentioned x equal to 6 and minus 5 by 2. So we have these answers, but you should cross check these two values as well. So remember this, whenever you square the expression, you always keep this in your mind that you may get some extra value. And whatever value of x you will get, that would not be the final answer. So you have to cross check by putting that value into the original equation. If that value of x satisfies the equation, that will be your answer, otherwise not. Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Why can't we cancel out x plus 5?
You can't cancel out. Suppose for x equal to minus 5, it will become 0 and you cannot divide and cancel 0 by 0, right?
Yes.
But in this case, now we came to know that x can't be equal to minus 5. So if if we had any idea about this earlier, that x can't be minus 5, then we can say that x, because x is not minus 5, so x plus 5 can't be 0. In that case, numerical value you can cancel.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Done, noted? Everyone noted?
Done, sir.
Everyone?
No, sir, just a minute.
Hmm. हो गया? सब चुपचाप हो.
हाँ सर.
देखो, next, finding the range of function involving quadratic expression. We'll do by two methods. One perfect square method and another graphical method. But I always prefer graphical method. Let me take one example. Question 1. Question says, find the range of function fx equal to x squared minus 2x plus 4. One method, and then I'll discuss second method. Method 1 is range means output of the function. X squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3, write this as x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Now you can see that for any value of x can take any value. This is well, I mean, we are just defining this, defining the range for like no, for all value of x. See, x minus 1 whole square is always positive. This is always greater than or equal to 0 because the square of anything is always positive. Minimum value of a square will be 0.
सर आपने कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर किया ना?
हाँ, perfect square. So square of anything is always greater than or equal to 0. It can't be negative. So minimum value would be 0 and plus 3. So fx, value of fx would be greater than or equal to 3 always. Because this will take some positive value only and minimum 0. So minimum would be 3 plus 0, 3, and maximum can be anything because the maximum value of x minus 1 to the power 2 can be infinite, positive infinite. So range is 3 to infinity. First method, but I always prefer graphical method because this method is going to help you a lot in future. What I'll do, I'll just check the leading coefficient of this. That is 1. So if leading coefficient is positive, graph will take upward. Face of graph will be concave upward. And now, and one more thing that you just have to find two things, leading coefficient and then vertex. Vertex is this. Find minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. This method is going to be very useful for J. Minus b is minus 2. Ax square plus bx plus c. B is minus 2. So minus of minus 2. A is 1. Comma minus d. D is b square. 4 minus 4ac upon 4a. This is 2 upon 2, comma. This is plus 12 upon 4. So vertex is 1, comma 3. Now I'll draw the graph. Vertex is somewhere 1, comma 3 and graph is upward. Definitely graph will be like this. So now we can see that this graph will not come below this line. Means y equal to 3. This graph will not come below y equal to 3 and it can go anywhere to the positive side. So range is more than 3 always. 3 to infinity. Understood? सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नोट करो.
सर हो गया.
सबका हो गया? Okay. Next question. Find the list value of 6x squared minus 22x plus 21 upon 5x squared minus 18x plus 17 for all x belongs to real number. ये symbol है. Inverted A. See, there is a unique way. There is a unique way to solve this. List value. You have to find the list value of this expression. So basically, we have to find the range. Let me solve it. So just assume this is as y. So 6x squared. So going forward, I'll tell you few more ways, few more effective ways to solve this kind of question. But right now I have to solve in ऑथेंटिक वे वाला।
सर इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि न्यूमरेटर का लीस्ट वैल्यू और डिनोमिनेटर का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू।
नहीं, अगर ये दोनों वेरिएबल अलग अलग होता है ना, सब ऐसा कर सकते थे, बट यू आर नॉट श्योर ना कि एक्स के जिस वैल्यू के लिए ये मैक्सिमम होगा, इसके लिए मिनिमम हो जाएगा, या एक्स के लिए एक्स के जिस वैल्यू, मतलब समझ रहे हो ना, वेरिएबल से मत नहीं कर सकते। तो इसमें क्या करना है, you just have to cross multiply this। यही एक तरीका है इसका ऑथेंटिक वे में। आगे आई टेल यू मोर वेज, बट राइट नाउ
And
यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस।
and so if you take determinant is more than or equal to 0, right?
नो नो, बिकॉज यू डोंट, you have to different quadratic equation ना, you can't do that, you
No,
can't do
so
that।
if you cross multiply, you'll get, and you can take y out you can
Yes,
take y.
yes, yes, हाँ, yeah। So just cross multiply this, so it will be 5y x square minus 18y x plus 17y equal to 6x square minus 22x plus 20। Now bring same term together. So bring all the terms to the right, left or right, any side. So this will be like this, minus 18y plus 22. When this will come to this side, so this will be like plus 22 minus 18y into x, and then 17y minus 21 equal to 0. Now you see, here it is saying, it says that for all real value of x. So we know that x is a real number. So if x is a real number, so discriminant has to be greater than or equal to 0. Roots are real. So b square,
So this is what I was saying, sir.
sorry.
This is what I was saying. Discriminant is
Ah,
more than.
okay. Now this is greater than or equal to 0. Solve it. If you take 2 out from here, so it will become 4. 11 minus 9y squared minus 4. 5y minus 6, and then 17y minus 21. 4 gone. Open this. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 22 into 9. How much? 198. 22 into 9, right? 22 into 9, how much? 180, and then, yes, correct, 198. Y. Multiply this. This is minus 85 y square minus 105y, or this is minus 102. So 207 y, and minus plus, and this is minus 126 greater than equal to 0. Now you can see from here, this and this, minus 4y square, this and this. This is 9y, and this, that is minus 5. Just multiply by negative sign. So inequality will reverse like this. Now you just factorize this. You will see 4y square minus 4y minus 5y. If you factorize this, you will get 4y, y minus y. And I already told you about the wavy curve. So just either this will be 0 or this will be 0. So y equal to 1, 5 by 4. Take any value to any interval. Like, to the right, I pick y equal to 2. It will be positive, negative, and positive. So our y will be greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 5 by 4. So this is the range, because we found the value of y. And y is what? Y is this thing. This is the range. So what is the least value? 1. So the answer is 1. Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, when we are cancelling out the 4 in that step,
Sorry, come
sir,
again.
how are we doing? Yes, sir, in that step, when we are, how are we cancelling out the 4?
Hey, just take 4 out now. This is numerical value, positive numerical value.
But
Just divide. When this 4 will divide 0, it will become 0 only, na?
Yes, yes, sir. But 4 into 11 won't be that value, right?
Huh? I took 2 out. So 2 will come with square, no? It will become 4. And now 11 is in bracket, na?
Oh, okay, okay, like that. Okay.
So how is it y is more than or equal to 1? Shouldn't it be less than or equal to 1?
No, use Weber method.
Uh,
You
so can
forgot
you,
Weber.
no, I remember it, sir, but I just got confused. Can you explain it again, sir?
Just equate both the factors to 0. You will get y equal to 1, y equal to 5 by 4. So put this on number line. So you have 3 intervals. This less than 1, between 1 and 5 by 4, and more than 5 by 4. Pick any interval. Suppose I picked rightmost interval. So pick any value in this interval. Suppose I pick 2, y equal to 2. Put y equal to 2 here. So the sign of this expression will be positive. You will get positive value. So positive, and then alternate negative and positive. But this
But
expression has to be negative. So this will negative only for y, if y will belong to 1 to 5 by 4.
uh,
Noted? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. One more question for today. See, for you, first you try. PT means prove that. Prove that if the equation x square plus 9y square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 is satisfied for real values of x and y, then x must satisfy, yeah, x must lie between 1 and 3, and y must lie between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Solve करो.
So got it, sir.
Good boy.
So good boy.
I say, I just like that. I say.
So for so once I get 1 and 3, do I just put that and insert and you'll get 1 by 3 and 1 by minus 1 by 3?
First, you do so. See, for the real values of x and y. So consider quadratic in x, and for real value of x, find two discriminant greater than equal to 0. So you'll get value of range of y, and then for
No, so
assume-
I got for x first.
how did you get for x? See,
So I just moved minus made it plus 9y squared to the right side. So then you'll get a root of
no, not on the right side. Like this, you have to solve like this. See, this is your quadratic equation. Assume this is quadratic in x. This is quadratic for all real x. So x is real. So discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So b squared minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. 4 and 4 gone. 4 minus 9y squared minus 3. So 9y squared is less than or equal to 1. So y squared is less than or equal to 1 by 9. So y is c. We got y. That is fine. Now what we'll do? We'll not now we'll like just rearrange the term like this. We'll assume this is quadratic in y. So, I mean, you also did the same thing. And this is x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Or simply just do one thing like this is equal to minus x squared minus 4x plus 3. This is positive. So this has to be negative. Then only negative into negative will become positive. So x squared minus 4x plus 3 is less than 0, right? Or equal to. Now we can see that, we can simply see that the leading coefficient is 1. And the vertex is minus b by a, minus b by 2a, comma minus d is b square minus 4ac upon 4a. So this is 2 comma minus 3. So obvious ही बात है कि somewhere here at x equal to 0 पे this will cross positive axis like this. We can see that this graph will always be above x-axis. So this graph will be positive from here to here and here to here. So we know that between the roots only, this graph will lie below x-axis. Then only this graph, this value, this quadratic will be negative. That is what we have to prove. This has to be negative. So that will happen only between these two values. So we'll simply find the roots. So what is the question? X must satisfy between 1 and 3. Okay. So if you factorize this, so the roots will be 1 and 3. X squared minus 4x plus 3. This is equal to 0. So x will be 1 and 3. So between 1 and 3 only, this quadratic will be negative below x-axis. Then only it will be negative, right? Did you understand this? Did you get this?
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. How did you get the left side,
See,
right part?
I just took this to the right side. So now you can see that 9y squared. This is square of something. This is always positive. So if left side is positive, then right side will also be positive. This is negative here. So obviously बात है कि this has to be negative. So negative and negative will become positive. So this has to be negative. Now we have to find. We'll just draw the graph of this. So we can see that leading coefficient is positive. So graph will be concave upward. And we found the vertex. And like at x equal to 0, we can see that this will cut y-axis at 3. So we can very simply see that between these two roots, only this graph lies below x-axis. Then only this will be negative. Otherwise, if you go beyond 3 and before 1, the graph lies above x-axis. So it will be positive. That's why x has to lie between 1 and 3. Then only this has to be positive. To satisfy this, or you just apply the wavy curve method. So you just factorize this x minus 1, x minus 3 less than 0, 1 and 3, now apply. Take 4, this 4. Put here positive, negative, positive. See, x has to be. So this was another way by quadratic, and this is wavy curve method. Understood? Saina?
Sir, can you explain the black part again? How did you get 16 minus 4? The
Where?
above, sir. Further. Yeah, 16 minus.
D, madam, D, discriminant, that is b square. B is minus 4, whole square that, minus 16, minus 4, A is 1. And C is complete whole thing, this 9y square plus 3.
Oh. But, sir, you took 4 common.
Cancel. This is 4 is a positive number, and here is 0. So like just divided by 4.
Oh, okay.